Hello JUSD families. Today we're going to show you how to conduct the Be a Hero, Help Your School survey. You will be going to Parent Connection. Once logged into Parent Connection, you're going to go up to My Information and Be a Hero survey. Click on that and you will have all your children listed. Go to Edit and on the left hand side, click on the Be a Hero, Help Your School survey. At the bottom, you will be asked two questions: household size and total annual income. Once you have answered these two questions, go up to Submit. On your cell phone, you can go to Parent Connection and log in. Click My Information, click Edit where it says Step 1, Student Demographics. Click on that and to Be a Hero, Help Your School survey will appear at the bottom. Just answer the two questions in the bottom: household size and total annual income, and then click Submit. You could do the same for each other student on the list. And that's how you complete the Be a Hero, Help Your School survey.